In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resize an image in Notion step by step. This is one of the most common questions Notion users have, especially if you're creating clean pages, dashboards, notes, or documentation, and your images look either too big or too small. The good news is, resizing images in Notion is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through everything from creating a new page to uploading an image and resizing it properly. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Notion. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Notion, you'll land on your main workspace, where you can see all your pages listed on the left side. From here, we're going to create a brand new page, so you can follow along exactly. Next, look at the left sidebar and click on the New Page option. This will create a fresh page in your workspace. When the page opens, Notion will ask you what type of page you want to create. Now, click on Empty. This gives you a blank canvas, which is perfect for adding and resizing images without any distractions. You'll now see an empty page with a blinking cursor, ready for you to start typing. At this point, click anywhere on the page and start typing a /. When you type the slash, a menu will appear with different block options. From this menu, type the word image or scroll until you see the image option. Once you see image, click on it. Notion will now ask how you want to add your image. You'll see options like upload, embed a link, or use an image from Unsplash. For this tutorial, click on Upload File. This will open your File Explorer. Choose the image you want to add from your computer and click Open. Notion will upload the image and place it directly onto your page. Now comes the most important part, resizing the image. Click once on the image so it's selected. When the image is selected, you'll notice small handles or edges on the sides of the image. Move your cursor to the edge of the image. When your cursor changes, click and hold, then drag inward toward the center of the image. Dragging inward will make the image smaller. You can adjust it slowly until it's the exact size you want. If you want to make the image bigger, click on the edge again, but this time drag outward. Dragging outward will enlarge the image. You can resize it as wide or as narrow as your page allows. Take your time here and adjust the image until it fits perfectly with your content. You can resize the image as many times as you want, and Notion will automatically keep the proportions looking clean. And that's it. You've successfully resized an image in Notion. This works the same way for images in notes, documents, dashboards, and even inside databases. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button so more people can find it, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.